the mind of the will to receive to oneself wish to do something. So this is why they gave us the ability to come to study. And when we say, what can I do to come to study? We say, well, no, can I do it alone at home?
No.
No, come to study, it means that we need to sit our corporeal existence, which is our body, when our will to receive, to bring it into this furnace, to bring it into, which is a group of study under the condition of intention, of let's say coordinated, same intention that is actually working through to get out from the emotion into trying to feel a different reality, a different intention. So doing actually is not so much with our, it's more to do with the will to receive. It's as though the action of it gives us a sense of being done, happening, okay? Actually, it's making. It's making. It's more to do with what to make out of it, how to make something. Now, how to make something is not only by doing. It's first how your all our let's say apparatus, which becomes, let's say, sphirot, not the corporeal mind, how actually it sort of allow us to create. In Hebrew, it's not, to create is not the same as in English, because in English you have for creation and for creating art, let's say, the same word. In Hebrew you have two words. You have Beriah for creating and Yetzirah. So actually the difference between the first sort of volume or paragraph of creation and the second tact of creation is the difference between Beriah and Yetzirah, meaning something that is being created as a possibility and what we are able to make out of it, or even what the creator made out of it. So let's say from letters, which is the creation, part of the creation of what possibility, we are able to make words. But it's from the letters. This is what he's saying, come to Pharaoh, because there I can give you letters that you can make a story out of it. You can make words. You can make meaning out of it. This is to make. Then something will happen in the doing, but maybe even if it will not be in the doing, but we have to sit ourselves so something can be created out of us, or will be printed in us as letters so we can make meaning out of it. More in these lines. Yeah. It's very important to understand the first paragraph or the first perek of Bereshit Aleph and Bereshit Bet in terms of the possibilities. Yeah. What we are able to make out of it.
It's very curious. But earlier in the week, I listened to someone saying that the two words in Hebrew for creation, it's bara, like God created, Bereshit created, Bereshit bara, and the other one it's formation, Yetzer,
Yeah.
like in Yetzirah. And now I didn't understand very well.
Well, Yetzirah is actually to make out of what there is.
Of letters, yeah.
Yeah. Of letters, you create words, you create meaning. Yeah. Different combination of meaning. So this is Yetzirah. And it's the, it's, uh, it becomes a tendency that has an ability to see what is in front of it and to actually make something meaningful out of it. Okay? Yeah.
So studying.
Yeah. So study is making, praying is being able to create meaning out of the letters that we allow our body to be exposed to. What is said, shiti ototai ele bekirbo, meaning that I could actually engrave or put in him, sort of truly it's embedding something in the letters that will allow you and the other generation who will come out with these letters to tell, to make words and story and meaning out of it. Okay, this. Okay.